In recent past, both in New York last September and in Paris this January, I have candidly shared our views on the Ukraine conflict and its implications. While doing so, I have also repeatedly underlined that the selective targeting of India is both unfair and unjustified. I do so again.
So completely agree with you on the unfairness of selective targeting by tariffs, and we in Europe know something about that also, and we fear that this is progressing to a global trade turbulence. I was very glad to be able to discuss with you in Paris the state of affairs in the format of Weimar Triangle Plus.
Of course, the selective targeting is not limited to tariffs. I think there have been other forms of selective targeting, but we will discuss.